Good morning students, I am computer ma'am. Today we have to learn about lesson 7 logo arithmetic. Lesson 7 logo arithmetic. Let's learn about revision of logo primitives, print primitive, calculations in logo, print with logical operators. In the previous chapter we learned about logo primitives and how to draw symbol lines and shapes in logo. What is the full form of logo? Yes, language of graphics oriented. What is mean by logo primitives? Yes, the commands that we give to the turtle are called logo primitives. Children, how to open logo windows? Yes, start all programs, Microsoft Windows logo, then OK button. The logo window has two main parts. First one main screen, second one commander window. In this chapter, we will learn how to use logo for various mathematical calculations. Let's first recall the simple primitives covered in the previous chapter. Children, next command functions. Forward. The short form of forward primitive is FD. It moves the turtle forward in the direction of its head. Next one, backward. The short form of backward primitive is BK. It moves the turtle backward in the direction of its tail without turning its head. Next one, clear screen. The short form of clear screen primitive is CS. It makes the turtle erase all the lines from the screen to clear it. Next one, home. It brings the turtle back to its home. In the center of the screen, the turtle draws a line from its last position of its home. Next one, high turtle. The short form of high turtle primitive is HT. It makes the turtle disappear from the screen. This gives a clear view of the drawing on the screen. Next one, short turtle. The short form of short turtle primitive is ST. It brings the disappeared turtle back to the screen. Next one, clear text. The short form of clear text primitive is CT. It erases all the commands saved in the recall list box without affecting the drawing. Next one, left turn. The short form of left turn primitive is LT. It makes the turtle turn its head in the left direction by the angle mentioned. Next one, right turned. The short form of right turn primitive is RT. It makes the turtle turn its head in the right directions by the angle mentioned. Children, logo can be used for different purposes like drawing figures and displaying values using the print primitive. Let's learn about the print primitive. First one, print primitive. What is the use of print primitive? Yes, print primitive is used to display a character, number, word or sentence on the screen. We can also use the same print primitive for doing calculations. The output of this command is displayed in the recall list box. The short form for print primitive is PR. This command takes only one input at a time. Children, listen. What is the use of print primitive? Yes, print primitive is used to display a character, number, word, sentence on the screen. Next one, what is the short form of print primitive? Yes, the short form of print primitive is PR. The output of this command is displayed in the dash. The output of this command is displayed in the recall list box. Next one, printing a number. We use the following command to display a number. Command print space number, enter. Then printing a word. We use the following command to display a word. Command print word, enter, or PR word, enter. Next one, printing a sentence. Print primitive helps us to display a sentence on the screen. Command print sentence, enter. Next one, calculations in logo. Logo can be used as a symbol calculator. Basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done in it using various commands and symbols. Children, we can give commands in two ways to add, subtract, multiply or divide numbers and display the result. First one, addition. The two commands we can use to add 20 and 30 are shown below. Example, PR20 plus 30. PR means print primitive. Another method are PR sum 20 30. The turtle will add 20 and 30 and display the answer as 50 in the commander window. Second one, subtraction. The two commands we can use to subtract 20 from 50 are shown below. Example, PR means print primitive, PR 50 minus 20, or another method, PR difference 50 20. The turtle will subtract 20 from 50 and display the answer as 30 in the commander window. Next one, multiplication. The two commands we can use to multiply 20 and 5 are shown below. PR 20 into 5 or another method, PR product 25. The turtle will multiply 20 with 5 and display the answer as 100 in the commander window. Children, next one, division. The two commands we can use to divide 20 by 5 are shown below. PR 20 by 5 or PR quotient 25. The turtle will divide 20 by 5 and display the answer as 4 in the commander window. Next one, print with logical operators. We can perform logical operations using many logical operators in Logo. We use symbols like equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, etc. to perform these logical operations. First one, greater than command. This command is used to compare two numbers. Logo displays the result as true if the number on the left side of the operator is more than the number on the right side. Children, listen. What is the use of the greater than command? Yes, greater than command is used to compare two numbers. Next one, less than command. This command is also used to compare two numbers. Logo displays the result as true if the number on the left side of the operator is less than the number on the right side. Children, next one, equals command. This command is used to check whether the compared numbers are equal or not. Logo displays the result as true if the number on both sides of the operator are equal. That's all this lesson, children. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.